guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest ideas, style design for girls and women. Here are uh, most beautiful and latest ideas relate to crochet dress, shirts, jackets, and sweater style, winter season fashion looks. And crocheting a shirt is a rewarding project but can be quite challenging, especially for beginners. Uh, and follow the pattern instruction carefully. If you encounter difficulties, do not hesitate to seek help from experienced crocheter or consult online tutorials. And crochet granny square shorts for women. Creating a crochet granny square shorts for women is a creative and enjoyable project. Here are a basic outline of how you can make one. And beautiful designs. Balls weight and lighter yarn in your chosen colors. Crochet to hook size depending on your yarn. And measuring tape, yarn needle, buttons or closure optional. Crochet the number of granny square need for the front, back, and sleeves of your shirts. The size of the squares will depend on your measurements and the pattern you are chosen. You may want to make some squares with varieties in colors for add interest. Use a joining method such as slip stitching or a single crochet to join the squares together into the shape of the shirt. You will create opening for the arms and the neckline as you join the squares. So I hope you like it, guys. Please see this video thoroughly and mention in comment section for your feedback and response. And here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. Like different and latest crochet pattern ideas. Crochet the neckline and add any thread edging to the sleeves and bottom. Hem of the shirt. This give the garment finished look. And if you need add buttons and another types of closer to the back of front of the shirt for easy wear. Block your crochet shirts